Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through the binary subtraction that is on specifically using the two complement methods. In my previous video, I'd shown you on how to work on binary subtraction using the one complement. So before we do the whole thing, we need to get ourselves conversant with the binary addition, because at the end of the day, for the subtraction, you need to get yourself conversant for in the addition so that you can apply the same methods to do the subtraction. So these are the most basic arithmetic addition in binary addition. For example, 0 plus 0 is always 0, while 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0, while 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1. And lastly, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. So as long as you are able now to interpret all these basic arithmetic addition in the binary numbers, you'll be able now to do all the subtraction that exist. Okay, so in the next part, we are going to look at the binary subtraction using the one complement. But for this particular one, we are going to use the two complement methods for the binary subtraction. So step number one, you need to ensure that both numbers have the same number of bits by adding zeros to the left of the number, not the key part, left of the number with fewer bits. So the bits are supposed to be the same. If the first number has 4 bits, the other number is also supposed to have 4 bits. So in case the number has less bits, you need now to add zeros to the left hand side. Okay, step 2, you generate a one complement for the negative number. Then you add the generated value to the positive number. Then step number 4, you add 1 to the generated value to get two complements. You add 1 to the generated value. You add 1 to the generated, because that's the most important part. You add this one. You add this particular part. You add 1 to the generated one. Then you add the two complement. You add the two complements. If the answer obtained has more bits than the original number, the extra bit known as the overflow is always excluded from the answer, because also this is also very key, because we might have another scenario whereby you have more bits than the original number. Then lastly, if the answer obtained has the same number of bits, you retain the answer. Okay, having done that, now let's move to our example. Okay, let me try to minimize this one so that we can apply the same concept to work on it. Okay, I hope you are able to see that font. Okay, so our scenario number 1. Okay, let me do this. Okay, I hope you are able to see. Okay, so number 1, we have this one. We have 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1. Remember the rules? If the bits are less, you need to do what? To add extra zeros to the left. And as you can see, on this one, we have 2 bits, while the other one we have 4 bits. Okay, let's try to do that. And also guys, as you continue to watch, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Continue supporting me by subscribing and also sharing to your friends who might be experiencing the same challenge on how to add the binaries, and also at the same time maybe on how to add or to subtract. Okay, so what you have, step number 1, you need to add the extra 0 for this one. So for this one, I will highlight this one. So I will add more zeros. Therefore, we will have 0, 0, 0, 1. So the first one in the next group, we have the same number of bits, 4 and the 4. This is 4, while the other one is 4. Okay, step number 2, you generate the one complement of the negative number, and this is my negative number. So this is my negative number. So the one complement, you need now to go back to the other video that I've prepared. Whenever we have 0, you convert to 1, where the 1 it's converted to. So for this one, this is a negative, this is a negative 1, it will be 1 1 1 0. So what we have done, we have generated a 1 complement for the negative number, and this was our negative number, which was 0 1. So far we are at step number 2. Okay, let's move to step number 3. You had the generated value to the positive number. You had 1 1. So what am I supposed to do? I will have this generated number, I'm still working with this one, 1 1 1 0 plus 1. Remember the rules? Whenever we have a 0 plus 1, it's supposed to give you 1. Therefore, the answer will be 1 1 1 1. Now we are at step number 3. So we have added, no, sorry for that. We are at we have added 1 to the generated value. 1 to the generated value. Okay, let's move to the next part. Now, our next generated part, we have to add the 2 complement number. So our number, this one, which is 0 0 1 1. Well, this other one, which is 1 1 1 1, plus we are trying to add. Now we need to remember the rules of addition. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Therefore, you write 1. After you write 1, you carry 1, the one that is remaining, you carry it above. Okay, let me draw a line here to separate. So we have 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 1. So we'll have 1 here. Then you have another one there. Then we have 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Then you write 1. Then you carry that other one to above there, where we will have 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is equivalent to 1 0. Then you write it as 1 0. So our answer is 1 0 0 1 0. After adding 0 0 1 1 plus 1 1 1, you get 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, having done that, rule number 5, it says that if there's an extra bit, which is now known as the overflow, this one, this is our overflow. So if you have an overflow, unlike the case of 1 complement where we are supposed to add, for the case of 2 complements, you are supposed to exclude it. Therefore, the final answer will be, we'll need to exclude the extra bits. Therefore, my final answer will be 0 0 1 0 2. That is our answer. So what we have done, we have excluded the 1. Hope up that to that point we are together. Okay, let's do our example number 2 so that you can get yourself conversant on how to do the whole thing. Okay, our example number 2, we have 1101 base 2 minus 111. Remember the rules? If the bits are less, you add. So for this one, for the negative one, for this one, we have this one. I will add and be Okay, so we have for this one we will have 0 1 1 1. Then the next step, this one we convert it into one complement, and one complement, whenever we have 0, it's 1. 1 is 0. So for one complement on this one, it will be 1 0 0 0. Okay, after doing that, still the number that we have, we need to add to two complements. So you add this number to 1. Therefore, the answer that I will have 1 0 0 1. Remember the rules? 0 plus 1 is 1, while 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Okay, having gotten that, now you go now to the normal addition, which is 1 1 0 1 plus 1 0 0 1. So this 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0, you get 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then we have 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. So we have an overflow. So for the overflow, the rules are very clear. We exclude it. You need to exclude it from the working. So I will exclude this one. Therefore, my answer will be 0 1 1 0. Base 2. So this is the answer. Okay, let's move now to our last example. Maybe I might give you can have maybe 2 minutes to go through this one so that you can gauge whether you have understood. 2 minutes. So 1 minute is over. Okay. Okay, let's do it now. So we have our case is remember the rules for this one. You convert it into one complement, and for the one complement, whenever we have ones, you convert to 0. So for one complement, this is a one complement, you will have 0 0 0 0. Then for the two complement, it's supposed to be 0 0 0 0 plus 1, which is equal to 0. The answer will be 0 0 1. Now after you get that, now you add with to the positive number, and our positive number is 1 0 1 0 plus 0 0 0 1. Then you add this one plus this one, you get 1 1 0 0, following the rules of addition. Therefore, our final answer will be 1 0 1 1 base 2. So it is that simple on how to add, or rather to add and the same time to subtract using the two complement methods. Hope up to that point you have understood on how to work with the two complements. So guys, if you are still new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Continue supporting by subscribing, sharing, and also liking my video so that it can trend at least. Thank you, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.